Good Monday, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and that you're ready to tackle a wonderful week ahead, right? Looking at our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union weather headlines, scattered tropical downpours for one more day, monitoring a flash flood risk for today. And now it looks like unsettled weather may return by the end of the week into the weekend. The good news with that is that, first of all, some of y'all still need some rain because you keep missing these scattered showers and thunderstorms. And the other headline would be that that prevents that dangerous heat wave from settling in on us that we've been monitoring for the past several days. So that could be what puts a damper on that heat wave. Premier generators bringing us our threats. Again, any storm that develops today could have some gusty winds that could become locally severe. And then you have the flash flooding risk. So it's the same risk we've had the last several days that will continue for today. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. 70% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms for our Monday, especially this afternoon and evening. Highs in the upper 80s. Tuesday, 50% chance for an afternoon shower or storm, and highs in the upper 80s to near 90. Wednesday and Thursday, we dropped that rain chance down to 20%. So just a chance for an isolated shower or storm in the afternoon and evening, and highs around 90. Some of y'all may hit 91, 92 those 2 days. And then Friday, there's that unsettled weather returning. It looks like a frontal boundary may drift into our neck of the woods and create at least a 50% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, highs near 90. Now, the weekend is also looking like maybe a 70% chance again, just to kind of give you a preview of that. And some of those storms may have some kick. If we got that area of high pressure that we thought was going to center itself right on top of us, it now looks like it may center itself more to our west, like maybe over Arkansas. That would put us on the eastern edge of that high, and sometimes you can get some complexes of storms rotating around the edges of those highs, and so we may see some of that action come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and those storms can have some kick to them. But I'll keep an eye on things. I'll let you know how that progresses as we get closer to time. Weichert Realtors bring us our extended threats, and again, I've dropped the dangerously hot temperatures from Friday and Saturday, and if trends continue, I'll probably drop that off of Sunday as well, and then I'll monitor that final week of July and see if that comes to fruition as well. But right now, it still looks like it's going to be awfully hot and humid throughout this week and into next week, but maybe not as dangerously hot as it had looked before. And yes, it's time for the updated Farmer's Almanac for this week. So be sure and check that out at meteorologistsmart.com. Farmer's Almanac saying from the 19th through the 31st, sunny, isolated thunderstorms, very warm. So that's a pretty safe forecast for this time of the year, but we'll see how it pans out. I'm not sure the isolated part of those storms will be true, but we'll see. And then you can see when to plant your crops, pick your fruit, travel for pleasure, have dental work done, and again, quit smoking. So my goodness, all kinds of things there to go by the signs. Bramble Travel bringing us our On This Day in History. 1911, the temperature at Painter, Wyoming dipped to 10 degrees. That equals the record low for July for the continental U.S. Dang. 1983, the world's lowest ever natural temperature is recorded. Negative 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Ugh, Lordy mercy, at Antarctica. 1994, 2 persons are injured by lightning while hanging gutters on a house in Crossville. Got to be careful with that lightning. I tell you what, if you hear thunder roar, you better move indoors. You folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. For even more weather information, download that Meteorologist Mark app. It's free in your app store, or follow me at meteorologistsmark.com.